Y'all, it is Saturday morning, and as I was fixing breakfast, I thought I would show you all exactly how I fix my fluffy eggs. I so often get questions about, Miss Donna, how do you make your eggs? So I thought I would just do a totally separate video dedicated to how I make my eggs. So you guys, we are getting ready to eat. And breakfast is ready. If by chance you're new and this is your first time stopping by, welcome. But this is how we do it over here on Saturdays. My bacon is ready. I do fix my bacon in the oven, but after I bake it, then I put it on a paper towel to kind of help soak up some of that grease and fix our toast in the oven. So I'm waiting on my dude number one to get in here so we can eat breakfast. Of course, we have our grits right here as well. So again, I just wanted to show you all how I make my eggs. And make sure when you start off that you have it on low. You know, you kind of want to do low and slow. If you have your temperature up too high, then you're going to scorch the bottom of your eggs. I don't do a whole lot of flipping and chopping. You see, I started off just kind of sliding them around so they can continue to cook evenly. I don't like choppy eggs. Once they start cooking, then I just simply flip, and that's all I do. You'll see that about midway through, once I got them poured and I saw that my pan wasn't too hot, I turned the temp up a little bit more to about 4.5. If you need to turn it up a little bit more, that's fine as well. Just make sure it's not turned up too high, because again, you don't want to scorch your eggs. And then after they were done, I usually slide them off the burner. I'll sprinkle my cheese, cover them up, and then 5 minutes later, the cheese was melted. Now, everybody likes cheese on their eggs but me. Will I eat it? Yes. So that's why you notice that there's that little part that didn't have really too much cheese or any cheese, because I don't prefer the cheese, but again, I can eat it. So it's just easier for me to just grate up my cheese and then sprinkle it on the top. Dude number one, aka my husband, just in case you don't know who dude number one is, he will do the shredded cheese, or he will do sliced cheese on top of his eggs. It doesn't even matter. This sliced cheese is sitting here because when he fixes his bowl of grits, he's gonna put that slice of cheese in his grits. Again, I don't like cheese in my grits either, so we do the cheese after the fact. But you guys, that's it. Now, you saw me use avocado oil. I was trying to be considerate of those of you that like eggs. So you can do avocado oil. More often than not, I'm gonna do some bacon grease. I know some of y'all just cringe when I do all that bacon grease, but I'm a Southern cook, you guys. I fix bacon every Saturday, just about. So we save bacon grease to season with. So I oftentimes, again, more often than not, I'm gonna use my bacon grease to cook my eggs in. Let's see, I use heavy whipping cream. Sometimes I'll use milk. But the key is to get those eggs whipped up. Whip. And that's what's gonna give you that fluffiness, because you're gonna be putting the air in the eggs, and that's what's gonna make them fluffy, light and fluffy, just like we like them. So you guys, I think that's all I wanted to tell you all. Dude number one, you're gonna come say hey to everybody. So you all are gonna see our breakfast video before you see this video, but I'm gonna let you know in our breakfast video that I have done this video showing you exactly how I make my eggs. But like I said, you guys are gonna see you're gonna see the Saturday breakfast video first, and then you'll see this one. I got my coffee on deck, you guys. I'm ready. I'm so
hey peeps, how we doing? Guess what, man? We're finna eat breakfast.
so loud.
Hey, we're finna eat breakfast.
So anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, y'all. We are ready to eat. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit that nosy that we often call it. That's that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever we're over here doing whatever it is we are doing, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again. Oh, let me say this. Even with the eggs, I did garnish on top with the pepper. That's just how we like them. So if you like to garnish with parsley or all the extra stuff that you, that's not how we eat our eggs. I just wanted to throw that out there just in case some of you felt like, you know, you might have wanted to share what I should have put on the top of our eggs. But we simply do salt and pepper, and it is delicious. So I often say whatever you like, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye.